Fun quiz to challenge you. What is an assembly line? Assembly line. A series of workers and machines in a factory by which a succession of similar items is progressively assembled. What does centralized mean? Centralized, where business decisions are made at the top of the business or in a head office and distributed down the chain of command. What is a chain of command? Chain of command. The route by which instructions and communications flow from the top to the bottom of a business. It explains who is answerable to whom. What does decentralized mean? Decentralized, where a business allows decisions to be made by subordinates. What is jargon? Jargon. A language that is specific to a particular field, e.g. revenue and profit, is business jargon. What is an organizational structure? Organizational structure. The internal makeup of staff within a business representing the different layers of management. What is productivity? Productivity. The amount of work produced by a person in a given time. What does self-employed mean? Self-employed. A person who is self-employed works for themselves instead of an employer. They work for a trade or business they have set up themselves. What does slang mean? Slang. Language that is very informal is more common in speech than writing and is often restricted to a particular context or group of people. Examples include the words YOLO, lit and woke. What is span of control? Span of control. The number of staff that a manager has management responsibility for. What is staff retention? Staff retention. Staff are happy to stay working at the same firm, rather than leaving to find alternative employment. What are subordinates? Subordinates. Members of staff below a manager in the chain of command. What is technical language? Technical language. Official terms for concepts and things that are typically best understood by people who specialize in a certain field or area, such as computer programmers or medical professionals.